welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing a fuel filter replacement on my Volvo XC60 with the D4 diesel engine. So this procedure will be the same for the D5 and also the mild hybrid diesel engines, the B4 and the B5. These cars all have the same engines. Some of them are mild hybrid ones and some of them are pure diesels like mine, but the procedure, like I said, will be the same for all of these cars. And so the location of the fuel filter will be right down here, and there you can see it. So let's start off with opening the hatch. You will need a T20 Torx. And for the bracket, you will need a 8mm socket. Now that we can see the actual filter, you're going to have to remove this connector and this fuel line, and on the other side we have another one that we have to remove. This fuel line, you just press on it, like that, and push it out. Now we have the blue one on this side. We have the old fuel filter out. So this is what we had to do. The connector, just press on it and remove it. The fuel line, press on this tab down here and you will be able to slide it out. And this blue one, it has like a small tab. Press it down. When you've done that, you can press on the back of it right here and you will be able to get the fuel filter out. So now let's install our new filter. Okay, so there is only one way this filter can go in. Just make sure that everything clicks, and we'll do that in the reverse order. And you have an arrow pointing to the right, so this is the direction. Make sure everything clicks, so that's a click. and that's another click. And finally the connector. That also clicked. Okay guys, so we have now everything connected, both the fuel lines and also the connector. So before putting the bracket back on, we'll just start the car and make sure there are no leaks. So before starting the car, we will be turning the ignition on and off a couple of times just to prime the filter. So now just keep doing this. Turn the ignition on a couple of times. You could repeat this process like 2 or 3 times. And now we'll start the car, and once we've started the car might stall because there might still be some air inside of the system. So we'll just start the car and give it some revs to let the air out. And that is it, the car stalled. So we'll try that again. Give it some revs to fill the filter. Like that will be enough. And now we'll also check under the car to see if there's any leaks. Okay guys, so we'll reinstall everything back together now. This procedure will be the same for any other Volvo model that is from this generation. And I know that the older models used to have them in the back of the car, but for these newer ones, you have them under the car. If you have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.